7 AI tools launched in the last 12 months are actively replacing entire job categories right now, and most professionals have no idea it's already happening to their industry. I'm not talking about automation or job displacement, I'm talking about full-blown replacement. These cutting-edge technologies aren't just making jobs more efficient or augmenting human capabilities, they're taking over tasks that were previously the exclusive domain of humans. Take, for instance, the launch of Google's AutoML in 2020. This AI platform allows users to create custom machine learning models with minimal coding experience. What does this mean? It means that data analysts and scientists no longer need to possess extensive programming skills to work with complex algorithms. But here's the kicker, AutoML is not just a tool for analysts, it's an entire replacement system. According to a report by Gartner, 2026 will see AI-powered tools like AutoML become ubiquitous in various industries. In fact, by 2026, Gartner predicts that up to 80% of data scientists and analysts will be replaced by automated systems. Yes, you heard that right, 80%. This isn't just a prediction, it's already happening. Let me give you an example. At the University of California, Berkeley, researchers have developed an AI tool called DeepMind that can analyze medical images with unprecedented accuracy. But what's more astonishing is that DeepMind has been shown to be more accurate than human radiologists in detecting breast cancer. The implications are staggering. If this technology becomes widely adopted, thousands of radiologists could lose their jobs. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the jobs created by AI? It's a valid point, every new technology creates new opportunities for employment. However, let me tell you that these new roles are often highly specialized and require significant training. They're not replacements for the jobs being displaced but rather an extension of the existing job market. As I mentioned earlier, Google's AutoML has revolutionized the way we work with machine learning models. But this is not an isolated case. There are several other AI-powered tools that are taking over tasks traditionally performed by data analysts. One such tool is Tableau's Auto Insights feature, launched in 2020. This AI-driven analytics platform can analyze complex data sets and provide actionable insights without requiring extensive human intervention. The results? Data analysts can focus on high-level strategic decisions while leaving the grunt work to machines. In fact, a study by McKinsey found that up to 30% of tasks performed by data analysts are repetitive and can be automated using AI-powered tools like Auto Insights. But here's the thing, these tools aren't just limited to simple tasks, they can also perform complex analysis, identify patterns, and make predictions. Take, for instance, the case of a large retail company that used Tableau's Auto Insights to analyze customer purchase behavior. The results showed a significant increase in sales among customers who purchased specific products together. But here's the twist, the tool didn't just identify this trend, it also provided actionable recommendations on how to optimize product placement and marketing campaigns. The implications are clear, data analysts will no longer be needed to perform these tasks, but they'll need to adapt to a new role that focuses on strategic decision-making. Another job category being replaced by AI is customer service representatives. Yes, you heard that right, those chatbots and virtual assistants we all know and love are not just augmenting human capabilities, they're taking over entire conversations with customers. Take, for instance, the launch of IBM's Watson Assistant in 2020. This AI-powered platform can understand natural language, respond to complex queries, and even handle emotional support conversations. The results? Customer satisfaction rates have skyrocketed while human customer service representatives are being replaced at an alarming rate. According to a report by Forrester, up to 50% of customer interactions will be handled by chatbots like Watson Assistant by 2026. But here's the thing, these tools aren't just limited to simple transactions, they can also perform complex tasks like resolving disputes and handling customer complaints. Take, for instance, the case of a large telecom company that used IBM's Watson Assistant to resolve customer complaints about billing errors. The results showed a significant reduction in complaints while customers reported higher satisfaction rates with the AI-powered resolution process. Another job category being replaced by AI is transcriptionists. Yes, you heard that right, those speech-to-text tools we all know and love are not just augmenting human capabilities, they're taking over entire tasks traditionally performed by transcriptionists. Take, for instance, the launch of Google's Cloud Speech-to-Text in 2020. This AI-powered platform can transcribe audio files with unprecedented accuracy while also identifying speakers and even detecting emotions. The results? Transcription rates have increased significantly while human transcriptionists are being replaced at an alarming rate. According to a report by Gartner, up to 75% of transcription tasks will be handled by AI-powered tools like Cloud Speech-to-Text by 2026. But here's the thing, these tools aren't just limited to simple transcription, they can also perform complex tasks like translating languages and even summarizing long documents. Another job category being replaced by AI is financial analysts. Yes, you heard that right, those accounting software packages we all know and love are not just augmenting human capabilities, they're taking over entire tasks traditionally performed by financial analysts. Take, for instance, the launch of Microsoft's Power BI in 2020. This AI-powered platform can analyze complex financial data sets and provide actionable insights without requiring extensive human intervention. The results? Financial analysis rates have increased significantly while human financial analysts are being replaced at an alarming rate. According to a report by Deloitte, up to 40% of tasks performed by financial analysts will be handled by AI-powered tools like Power BI by 2026. But here's the thing, these tools aren't just limited to simple analysis, they can also perform complex tasks like predicting stock prices and even detecting anomalies in financial transactions. Another job category being replaced by AI is marketing professionals. Yes, you heard that right. Those social media platforms we all know and love are not just augmenting human capabilities, they're taking over entire tasks traditionally performed by marketing professionals. Take, for instance, the launch of Facebook's Ad Manager in 2020. This AI-powered platform can analyze complex customer data sets and provide actionable insights on ad placement and targeting without requiring extensive human intervention. The results? Marketing campaigns have increased significantly while human marketers are being replaced at an alarming rate. According to a report by eMarketer, up to 60% of tasks performed by marketing professionals will be handled by AI-powered tools like Ad Manager by 2026. But here's the thing, these tools aren't just limited to simple ad placement, they can also perform complex tasks like predicting customer behavior and even detecting anomalies in sales data. The writing is on the wall. 7 AI tools launched in the last 12 months are actively replacing entire job categories right now, and most professionals have no idea it's already happening to their industry. Data analysts, customer service representatives, transcriptionists, financial analysts, marketing professionals, these are just a few examples of jobs that will be replaced by AI-powered tools. But here's the thing, this isn't just about displacement, it's also about opportunity. As AI takes over tasks traditionally performed by humans, new job categories and opportunities will emerge. It's up to us as professionals to adapt to this new reality and focus on high-level strategic decision-making. In conclusion, 2026 will be a year of significant change in the job market. Will you be ready?